Okay, let's see. Can y'all see my screen? Okay, type yes or no. Can you see my screen? All right, thank you, Kirana. All right, so we'll start. So Anil has a liquid which boils at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. So he wants to find out whether this liquid is pure water or not. All right. So what other property of the liquid will actually determine that it is pure water? All right, can I get the other three people to submit your answer right now into the chat? I have Kirana's answer. Kirana, you can try again if you wish to. All right, so okay, good job, Ziqi. But Bunny and Eldia. Okay. Now, Kirana, would you like to try this question again? Now, Ziqi chose A. All right, how about Bunny and Eldia? What do you choose? Okay, Kirana, you have changed your answer to A. How about Bunny and Eldia? All right, so let's see. Would anyone want to unmute yourself and explain to me why C is wrong? Give me an example. Anyone can come up with an example of something mixed with something, and yet when you boil off, everything will boil away. It does not leave a residue. Anyone? Okay, I'll help you with this. So for example, ethanol. All right, ethanol is a type of alcohol if you mix with water. So it is not, it's a mixture already. It's not pure water. All right, so if you take ethanol, which is a liquid, mix with water, another liquid. So two liquids mixed together. If I were to boil it, all right, at 78 degrees Celsius, ethanol will all boil off. Then at 100 degrees Celsius, water will then boil off. All right, because 78 is the boiling point of ethanol. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. So basically, these two liquids will boil off. All right, and will not leave a residue. There's nothing left behind. All right, so both liquids will boil off eventually. So and yet it is not pure water. It's ethanol mixed with water. So therefore, it cannot be C. So it has to be A. So anything that is pure, please take note. All right, pure will either it melts at, if it's water, can everybody tell me it melts at what temperature? Can you type into the chat? Okay, so basically I have 4 blanks here. See whether y'all can give me these 4 numbers. All right, can you give me these 4 numbers? So water or rather ice melts at what temperature? Anyone? Okay, there are 4 of you. Each person will give me 1 number. You can make a guess. Not sure, really no idea at all. You just say not sure. Okay, Zizi has given me 4 answers. Thank you very much. The rest, Bernie, you want to try one? Which one do you want to contribute, Bernie? I got 4 blanks here. Which one would you want to contribute, Bernie? All right, Eldia and Kirana, anything that you want to contribute? Okay, Bernie, you want to contribute, boy? Give me the number then. All right, Bernie. So water boils at what temperature? All right, water only boils at one fixed temperature. And what is that special number? A fixed temperature of what number? Okay, good job, 100 degrees Celsius. So boiling point is always 100 degrees Celsius. All right, Kirana, do you want to contribute one? Okay, freezing point. So water will freeze at what temperature, Kirana? All right, water will freeze into ice at 0. Well done. All right, then we have hang on up. Ziqi has already given me answer. Eldia, would you like to contribute another one? Okay, what is the melting point? Ice melts at what temperature, Eldia? Ice melts at Hi, Eldia, are you there? Okay, thank you. Eldia, ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius, and Ziqi has contributed the 4 answers. Condensers also at 100. So do you notice that these two numbers are the same? These two numbers are the same. All right, so if anything is pure, all right, so this is important. So if anything is pure, it will melt at a fixed temperature, it will freeze at a fixed temperature, it will boil at a fixed temperature, it will condense at a fixed temperature if it's pure. All right, so that will determine that substance is really pure and not a mixture. Please don't tell me that is a pure mixture. There's nothing called pure mixture. Mixture cannot be pure. All right, mixture is already something mixed with something. So the answer is A. All right, any questions so far? Okay, if not, then we go on. Now, do y'all still remember heating curve? Okay, heating curve. And then I have cooling curve. Right, so I heat up a substance and then I measure the temperature. So let me have temperature here. Right, this is the vertical axis, the y-axis. And then I have time. Okay, so here is the same thing, temperature and then time. Right, so over here, there'll be a slope, horizontal line, slope, horizontal line, and then a slope. All right, then cooling curve means temperature goes down, right? So you'll be going down, then that means slope, horizontal, slope. All right, so let me highlight the 3 slopes. So over here, I have the first slope, second slope, and third slope. Here I have the first slope, second slope, and the third slope. All right, so now let's label the first slope. Okay, so can everyone tell me what is this? Type into the chat. What state is this? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas? This is a heating curve. I'm heating a substance. So what state is this? All right, is it a solid, liquid, or gas? Right, is this a solid, liquid, or gas? Not sure, just write IDK. All right, IDK. I'm not sure. So what state is this? Is this solid state, liquid state, or gas state? Okay, why don't I start off with for y'all? This is solid state. All right, this first slope is solid state. What is the next state? Can y'all type into the chat? The next state is solid, heat up, it will become what state? Okay, thank you, Ziqi. All right, it will be liquid state here. And finally, you heat up a liquid, it becomes a gas. All right, so these are my 3 yellow states, solid, liquid, gas. Now let's label the cooling curve. The first slope, now everybody type into the chat, what is this? Okay, is it solid state, liquid state, or gaseous state? You can write SLG, which one? All right, well done, Ziqi. The rest, the other 3, what state is the first slope here? Okay, well done, Kirana. The other 2, Eldia and Bernie, what state is this? Okay, what state is this? Okay, well, see, I'm still waiting for the answer. Eldia, Bernie, are y'all there? Bernie, I'm asking what state? There are 3 states. Either it is solid state or liquid state or gas state. So what state is the one, this first slope, the question mark? All right, so what state do I start off with if it's a cooling curve? All right, so if it's a cooling curve, it will be, you start off with a gas, the other way around. Just now we started off with solid, right? For heating curve, but for gas, we'll start off with for cooling curve, we'll start off with a gas. So imagine you have a gas, you cool down the temperature of the gas will then become liquid. All right, liquid, we cool down further, it becomes solid. So is everybody clear? All right, so it's the opposite. So look at my laser pointer. This is solid slope. This is liquid slope. This is gas slope because temperature is going up. All right, this temperature. Here, the temperature is going down. So this one, you must start with gas. Gas cool down, become liquid. Liquid cool down, becomes solid. So is everybody clear? The 3 slopes first. All right, now let's label the horizontal line. Okay, so this horizontal line obviously would be solid state plus liquid state. There are 2 states together. Can you tell me what process is this? What is the name of this process? What is the name of this physical change that changes from solid state to liquid state? You are changing from solid state to liquid state. So in between, what process is this? All right, well done, Bernie, Ziqi. All right, the other two, what process is this when you change from solid to liquid? It's in between solid and liquid. So this is melting. All right, this is melting. Right? Then the other one, liquid state change to gas state. So obviously this will be boiling. All right. Now, can y'all tell me what states do I have during boiling? What states will I find during the boiling process? Okay, type into the chat. What states do I have during the boiling process? Okay, well done, Kirana. Well done, Ziqi. All right, Eldia, Bernie, where are your answers? What states do I have during boiling? Right, so look at my laser pointer. So this boiling is a horizontal line. It's in between, this horizontal line is in between L and G. Right, therefore these states will be L plus G. Okay, so it'll be L plus G because some liquid has boiled to become a gas. Some liquid not yet boiled. It takes time to boil the whole water. Okay, so some liquid has already boiled to become a gas. Some liquid has not yet boiled. So it's a mixture of L plus G. All right, so here this temperature will be known as melting point. So this temperature will be known as boiling point. Right, so we do the other side quickly. So here will be G plus L, which is, what process is this? Can you type into the chat? G plus L, what state is this? All right, G plus L. Okay, well done, Ziqi. Okay, well done, Kirana. All right, Eldia, Bernie, type your answer as well. All right, so gas change to liquid, that is condensation. And then here, this horizontal line is liquid plus solid. Some liquid has changed to solid, some liquid not yet changed to solid, and this process is called freezing. All right, so is everybody clear? Okay, now my next question to everyone is, all right, look at my laser pointer. All right, so everybody knows that during melting, temperature stays the same. During boiling, temperature stays the same. During condensation, temperature change remains the same. During freezing, temperature stays the same. My question to everyone is, during melting, is there heat gain? All right, so I'm going to type the answer into the chat, okay? Is there heat gain during melting? Right, is there heat gain during melting? Okay, during this process, temperature stay the same. See, temperature is the same, horizontal line. Is there heat gain during melting? Yes or no? Right, is there heat gain during melting? Okay, well done, Ziqi. The rest, the other three of you? Okay, anyone? Okay, well done, Kirana. Okay, Eldia, Bernie, are you there? Is there a heat gain during melting process? All right. So obviously during melting, Bernie, wrong concept, but thank you for trying. All right. So take note, it's a very big misconception that many students have. If you have a piece of ice, obviously this ice must gain heat, right? Okay, heat must be gained. The ice must gain heat in order to melt into liquid water. So there is heat gain. So take note, there is heat gain. All right. Then you'll be wondering, then why so funny one? Why is it so weird that temperature stay the same by right? It should be no heat gain, right? But over here, remember the heat that is gained. All right, ice will still gain heat. But then why did the temperature not go up? It's because when the heat that is gained by the ice is used to change the state. All right, I repeat. The heat gained by the ice is used to change the state from solid to liquid. Therefore, all right, the heat that is gained is not used to increase the temperature. Because by right, if you gain heat, your temperature should go up. All right, so let's say you're having a fever, you're gaining heat. All right, so you're having a fever, your temperature will go up. But it's a special case during melting, all right, that when there is heat gain, yet temperature stays the same. It's the same for boiling. So even during boiling, there is